All right, so I know this is a Tesla channel, but you know I'm always bringing different things to the table.
We stock in the house,
Mm.
and recently, like months ago, we became vegetarian and explored different recipe and like to share with you guys if you want to try. We're gonna cook today red lentil kebab.
Ooh, I'm so hungry. Wait,
Okay.
wait. The thing is, though, she said we, but look at the way I'm dressed and look at the way she's dressed. So, as everybody knows, it's gonna be Margarita cooking.
Okay, I'm gonna show you one nice recipe you can try.
All right, so get cooking, my wife.
Okay. So first we're taking 1 cup of lentil and we should rinse properly. Okay, after you wash properly lentil, we put some water and leave it for 25 minutes while we do the other part. So 25 minutes pass and we drain the water and leave it for some time. So the next part is vegetables. So I have here a cup of carrot, shredded, onion, cabbage and potato. First we prep the vegetables. We have a medium heat, 1 teaspoon of oil. I don't put a lot of oil. And we're gonna mix all the vegetables and cook them together until the moisture comes up. Okay, I have here my vegetables. Like I said, 1 cup of carrot, 1 cup of potato, 1 cup of onion and 1 cup of cabbage. I'm gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and we cook about 5 to 6 minutes. You will notice it's cooked when moisture pulled out. Okay, so it's almost done. So the vegetables looks cooked and on to the next step. So turn this off and put aside to get it cooled down. Next step, I also wipe with a paper towel a little because you don't want to be like very soggy. We add the lentil. Then we have a ginger, 1 teaspoon of ginger, 4 cloves of rough cut garlic, 1 cup of cut parsley. Then we have garam masala, 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And you can squeeze 1 lime, or I don't have a lime today, so I'm just gonna squeeze a lemon. It's also good. Half a cup of almond flour. And we start with the processor. So I'm just gonna use spatula. So you have to make this mixture with a texture. Okay, and here it seems like ready. It smells nice. So we put this to the bowl. Okay, so vegetables cool down, and the next step we just mix everything together. You can add half of the spoon of this baking soda and half of the spoon salt. So we have to mix everything together properly. And today I tried to cook 2 methods because not everybody likes frying things. So we're gonna do half of the kebab by baking and half by frying. So mix this properly and you see it all looks nice and it smells nice too. You can use cooking oil because it's healthier, so I'm gonna fry in coconut oil. I have a baking sheet and I'm gonna put some oil on my hand so it's not going to sticky. It's a secret. And we're gonna shape this to a nice kebab. You can do different, like medium to large, whatever you like it. So gonna do maybe 10 baking and the rest frying. So okay, you get 15 to 20 from this batch and it's a very nice portion, and let's start it. So like I mentioned, I put coconut oil and we wait until it's nice and hot. First put a small piece and see how it's browning. If it's too fast, you turn it low. If it's not enough, you turn up the heat. But it seems for us, you see how it's bubbly? It's perfect. So let us start with our kebabs. You have to fry this 3 to 4 minutes on each side. so it's nice and browny. And actually the coconut oil smells so nice, cooking nicely like you see. So, and we just flip it. Oh, it really smells nice. Okay, I think we're good to go. Fry nicely, so almost done. One more minute, and this one is good. Okay, so here it's going nicely. What about baking? Baking a little bit slow. It's okay. Okay, we have a nice brown color here, and it's done. Look at that. So now we're just waiting for the baking half. Okay, so for the baking we bake already 20 minutes, and we're gonna flip it and put it back for another 10 minutes. Okay, while we're waiting for the baking, so we're gonna do some dipping sauce. So you take 1 cup of vegan yogurt. I press 3 cloves of garlic, and I'm gonna add a little bit of parsley for the color. Okay, so, oh, look at that. Yummy. Have a perfect homemade vegan dipping sauce. Where's my backseat bowler? Maybe we can try on him.
Right amount of garlic. Oh yeah.
Okay, let us see what is going on here. It's ready. It's not going to be so brown because it's a baking after all, but you have to have 425, 10 minutes each side, and it's ready to go. Everything ready to go?
All right. Well, let's see what you did. So let's show both to the camera here. So this is the deep fried one.
And this is baking one.
And personally, I know that it is deep fried in oil, and a lot of people don't like oil, but the color on this is much nicer.
Here we put 2 on broil to just make it brown color, but it seems like it's too dry. I think this is better.
So I'll make a note in the recipe on how to properly do this. The way we said in the video, it'll be changed a little bit just so that it comes out proper for those that don't want to fry it in the oil. So what's next?
Try.
Taste testing. Let's go. One for you.
Okay.
One for me. Let's try without the dip first. So as they do in the Food Interesting, cheers to your hard work. Let's give it a try.
Good.
It's almost like a potato pancake. More flavor. Me personally, I would put a little bit more heat in there. So that's another note too. You can adjust the heat to your liking. If you don't like cayenne at all, don't put it in there. Now with that yogurt. And again, full vegetarian, vegan. No
It's really
dairy
nice.
at all.
And actually you can make a different shape and make like a burger. And actually it's gonna make nice burger. Yeah.
There you go. So it can be shaped in the kebab, shaped in burger, any way you like out of it.
Enjoy. And
No. We have one more to try.
oh,
This one's really, really good.
okay, let me
Oh, my mouth is still full. All right.
cheers.
It's still moist inside.
It's good too, actually.
Oh, this one's fine too. I have no issues with this. The other one, you get the flavor of the coconut in there. Let's try with that dipping sauce. Cheers, guys. So let us know in the comments below how you like the recipe, or if you changed it any way to add a little more spice, less spicy. However, it is more to your liking. If you've made any changes, or if you have any suggestions or ideas about the oven, what changes that we should have did. Love to hear from you.
Bye. Bye, see you next time.
Don't forget, if you like this video, like and subscribe to Margarita, because I think she's taking over this channel. We're going to have to change the topping. I can't stop eating these. These are really good.
Yeah.
Great job.
Okay.
I know my mouth is full, but great job.
Thank you.